who can raise their hand quietly and tell me what kind of graphs we have been learning about? Mauricio.
Pictographs.
Pictographs. And Tristan, what two words make up that? The word pictograph.
Picture and graph.
Picture and graph. Sean's not in here, but we talked earlier about compound words. Were you with me, Brian, when we talked? Or that was Everett. We talked about compound words. Jada, do you have a question, or are you just itching your head? Yeah, scratch. Okay. Yesterday, we talked about favorite fast food restaurants, and we compared more and less, and we wrote some questions. Nod your head if you remember doing that. Mauricio, you don't remember doing that? Nod your head if you remember doing that. It's over there. Point to it. Favorite fast food restaurants, and Chick-fil-A was the winner, because it's also my favorite too. Spicy chicken sandwich.
McDonald's, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, Jack in the Box, and Subway.
That's okay.
Subway.
So, yesterday, we wrote questions that we can ask who had the most. And, like, that's like a kindergarten question, right? Because we can just look at our graph and see that Chick-fil-A had 9 votes. We can see that that was the most popular, right? Joel, which one had the least votes? The Jack in the Box. It only had 1. So we wanted to write some more higher level questions. Sean, quietly sit in your chair. So we asked questions like, how many more does something have? Or how many more did McDonald's have than Burger King? And we wrote those questions down. So we're going to talk about how we can solve for how many more and how many less. So look up at the screen, please. We're going to be talking about what animals. Who can tell me what animals are on the screen? Okay, me? What? Say it again. What animals are these? Cows and what?
Cats.
Cows and cats. That's funny. Cows and cats. Okay, so we're going to look at our picture, and I noticed that this one has more. So I want to know how many more. I can read the words down here. Joel, look at my screen, buddy. There are blank more cows than cats. So I could do it 2 ways. I can use subtraction, or I could just look at my picture. So I know that these are all in line. So we each have this and this and this, and those all match up. And then we have this many left. This many more are by themselves. So how many more is it? There's 4 more left. Oh, perfect. There are 4 more cats than there are 4 more what? Cows than cats. Because here's the cows. The pictures are kind of hard to see.
Wait, I would like to match the cows are standing.
Sean, absolutely. Did you hear what Sean just said? Sean, repeat what you said.
Can we write the math problem?
Absolutely, we can write the math problem. Sean, can you help us with that math problem? Okay, what will we're gonna subtract. So what are we gonna subtract?
We're gonna subtract 5 minus 5.
What minus 5? I do agree with 5. Where's the 5 gonna go? Here or here?
On the
This one?
yeah.
Yes. Okay, so read this with me. Ready? There are 4 more cows than cats. Do we agree with that?
Yes.
I agree with that. All right, let's look at this one. We're going to do more. There's still cows and cats. Count in your head how many cows there are. Count in your head. Brianna, how many cows are there? 8, I agree. Falasia, how many kitty cats? 3. All right. What's our subtraction problem going to be? I know that there's 8, and I need to know how many more cows. So I'm looking at the cows, there's more, but how many more? So I need to take away something. I know I'm going to start with 8. Here's my 8. So what am I going to take away to find out how many more? Angel, 3. How'd you know that? Because there's 3 cats. Absolutely. All right. Tell me my answer. 5. So there are how many more cows? 5. I agree. Tristan.
That's why I just realized it's picture.
we're missing our total column, kind of, and we need a title. But it's almost like a pictograph. It's in rows and columns, just like a pictograph is.
Because it says key. Each picture equals one cat.
There's a, what is that thing called that you just said?
A key.
A key. Like a key to open my door to my house?
No.
Like that kind of key?
No.
Well, what kind of a key is it?
A key that helps you know about the pictograph.
It helps you know what, Joelle?
About the pictograph.
That is very true. Here's eyes on me. You have a front page, a second page, and everyone does have a sticky note. The sticky note's really important, so please keep it safe on the back of your paper, okay? Don't let it distract you. All right, we're going to do this front page together. Let's look at it. What do we have? What are the animals?
Dog. And dog.
Well, we have, what's on this side? Ducks and dogs. Have you ever seen a duck hanging out with a dog?
No.
That's kind of silly.
Yes.
That's funny. Okay, let's talk about it. Let's figure out how many ducks we have. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 little ducklings at the pond. Please, with your beautiful pencils, write a 9 for me. Let's count the dogs. The puppies. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, we got to decide how many more ducks are there than puppies. Let's find out who's going to tell. Oh, those are the cheer sticks. Brandon's not in here. Joelle, pulled out your stick. Are you ready? I need our subtraction problem.
Oh, you can tell her that. Tell her the subtraction problem.
Do we agree with our friend Joelle?
Yes.
All right, and for our answer, Julius. 9 minus 3.
Equals 6.
Do we agree? Wait, did you say that? Who said that?
No, that was Julia.
Oh, you said 6? Perfect, beautiful. I agree. Let's fill it in. There are how many more?
6.
6 more ducks than
Puppies.
puppies. All right, now let's look at this one. How many fewer cats? Ooh. How many fewer cats?
This is easy.
So how are we going to figure that out?
We want our
Now it's asking us.
Talk to your partner about how you're going to figure that out. Talk to the people around you.
What do you think?
Talk to the people around you, Sean. All right, who can tell me what they think they're going to do?
Thank you.
Mauricio, what are you going to write?
Are you okay? What did you do?
Oh, okay.
We're gonna count counts.
You're gonna subtract
9 from 3, exactly. Okay, so 9 minus 3 gives me what?
6.
There are 6 fewer dogs than there are ducks. Or we could say there's 6 more ducks than there are dogs. It is kind of like the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a track.
All right, with your pencil, write in the 6. What's different about these pictures? Who can raise their hand and tell me what's different about these pictures? With the quiet hand. Look at the picture for a second. Figure out what's different about it.
Wait, well, we didn't do the bottom.
I know, okay, we're gonna skip it for now. Think about it. Brianna, what's different about this picture? Yeah, they're mixed up. Are they in pretty rows? No. Y'all have to decide which ones are the cows and which ones are the cats.
I know.
So this little guy with the ears, he's a cat. Who's this?
A
A cow. So I want you to count by yourself, figure out how many cows and how many cats, and then write your subtraction problem, just like we did. You can, sometimes it's helpful to cross them out if you need to cross them out. What'd you get?
Because it says cows instead of cats.
Here, let's have a look.
So we have over here, they were all lined up next to me. Yeah, we have them all mixed up. We're gonna go through and count. So count the cows.
Awesome. Okay, how many cats?
How many did you get?
Beautiful. All right, so what's our subtraction problem?
I know you counted cows. How many cats are there? Because then you need to get ready your information down at the box.
Here, put a mark.
So now what's your subtraction?
Oh, 7.
cows.
See, remember when we did this one again, like a little mark on there, so
Yeah, 5, 7, 5.
that's a little strategy that you can use.
100% agree. Right, what minus what?
So where's your
Let me see,
subtraction?
Sean.
How many more
Oh,
cows
yeah.
are there than cows?
Nicely done. Nicely done. Make sure you write me your subtraction problem so I can see it and give me my answer. Great. Nice job. Look at you mathematicians. Oh, you did the other one too. Do you want to go on to the one with the goats and the horses? Have you ever seen a goat hanging out with a horse?
No.
Maybe on a farm. Maybe on a farm. I don't know. I've never seen it. So you can go on to the goats and horses. Let me see, Martin. Oh, look at you rocking. Did you want to skip this one? You like the cats? All right, let's talk about it. Lucky person. We're gonna do the cows and cats. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready to share the cows and cats. Is everyone finished with the first box? Malaysia. We're gonna talk about cows and cats. How many cows do we have, Malaysia? Do we agree, second graders, 7 cows? Do we agree? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little cows sitting on the farm. Malaysia, how many cats? Mauricio, do you agree with 5 cats? I agree. Angel, do you agree? King Burst agrees.
I do.
Tristan, you agree?
Yes.
I agree. So what are we going to write?
7 minus 5 equals 2. If we do the whole
What's it equal, second graders?
2.
There are how many more cows than cats?
2.
Do you see how we can solve the problem with, they don't have to be in a row. Do they have to be in a nice straight row for us to tell? No, we can just count them. Look at your feet and look at your shoes. So I have to pull up my pants so I can see my shoes. But look at your feet. Look at them. Take a look at your shoes. What shoes are you wearing today?
Red and white.
Right. Raise your hand quietly. Sean Jones, we're waiting for you, buddy. Raise your hand if your shoes have shoelaces that tie. Hand down. Did I ask what color they were? Raise your hand if you have Velcro shoes that don't tie. Shoes that don't tie. Sean? Okay. Raise your hand if you have black shoelaces. Okay. Raise your hand if you have white shoelaces. Raise your hand if you have shoelaces that are a color. So his are a color. If they're not black or white, if they're not black or white, they're a color. All right. We, second graders. We're gonna make a pictograph with our shoes. So we have to decide what, you know how we did restaurants and the categories? What were our categories? They were the names of the restaurants, right? So we have to decide what we want our categories to be, because we all have different shoes on. Is he talking? I don't think I saw him talking, but I'm not sure. Okay, Sean, you may carefully go put your shoe where it goes. Oh, Sean doesn't have tie shoes, so where's your shoe gonna go, Sean? We got Velcro, white, black, or colored. But it has a Velcro. Yasmin.
Jada, sit back, please.
No, it has a Velcro. Sean, put it in the Velcro.
It's the weight.
sir it is. Okay, let's see. Angelina, where's your shoe gonna go? All right, gentlemen over here, you might not get to pull your stick out.
Yep, be careful.
Get down.
Angelina, you're looking at your shoelaces, babe. Look at your
What color are your
shoelaces.
shoelaces? There
There
we go.
you go.
All right. Jaden. Jaden's gonna go in Velcro.
Sean?
Caden B, he has his voice off. His shoe's gonna go. His shoes almost look like they're black laces, but they're navy, aren't they, Caden? Mauricio. Black laces. They're holding their nose because it's smelling. Is she talking? Is she talking?
That's enough, thank you.
Yasmin. She's got colors. All right, I want us to take a moment. What are we making right now? Our pictures, second graders, our pictures are our what? The shoes. Those are our pictures. We will again. All right, is this person talking? Let's see. Alicia Howard. Please come place your shoe on the board. Where is
Letter
it
through,
going to go?
guys. Will you stop?
Sean, can you be a polite friend and make room for Felicia? You'll probably have to stand up and use your legs, babe. We put it
Thank
on
you,
for her.
Joelle.
Thanks, Joelle. All right. Where's she at? Where's she at? Amaria. Where's your shoe gonna go? It is. Take a moment and look at our graph, and in your head only, don't say it out loud. Look at which one has the most so far.
Okay, we said don't.
Angel, where's yours gonna go? Ooh, Angel's got fun shoes. Think about where his are gonna go. Where is Brianna? Where's yours gonna go, babe?
Amarian, sit back, babe. Sit back.
Look at how y'all are making nice categories and rows. That's great. Okay, our friend from our other class. Where's your shoe gonna go, buddy? Let's see. Yes, yes. Come bring it up. Yeah, we're gonna put that one in Velcro because it has a strap on the top. Is that okay? Our other friend from our other class.
Dante, where's your shoe
Where's your
going?
shoe gonna go?
I'll get you one in the past.
KW, will you help him? Thanks.
You don't realize that you don't buy your sneakers until you have one on.
I'm gonna wait till our voices are off. Tristan. Where's it gonna go? Oh! Yes! Miss Taylor, where's your shoe gonna go?
Oh, not Miss Taylor. No, Miss Taylor. No.
Alright, second graders. With a quiet hand, did everyone get to put their shoe in?
Yeah.
Did Jada get to put her shoe down?
No, Joelle
Oh,
did
Jada.
not. Julia didn't put her shoe.
Oh, and Joelle.
Oh, and Tristan.
Hold
I
on.
put her shoe. See right there.
Okay.
Oh my God.
I'm pretty sure I said with a quiet hand. So with a quiet hand, if you didn't put your shoe in, show me. Joelle, where's your shoe go? Oh, it has a strap. So where are you gonna put it? So do those. So I guess you can put it where you want. You decide.
But is it a Velcro strap or it's just a?
It's a Velcro strap.
It's kind of like that.
Jada, take it back.
It's kind of like that. Our bus.
Jada, where's your shoe go?
It is.
All right, Julius.
Wait,
Like the bus ride. I'm still going with that.
Ooh, second graders, look at Julius's laces because they are black, but they have some green on them. So I think they go in the color. All right, everyone, close your eyes. Think about our pictograph. Think about which one's gonna have more. Open up your eyes. Open up your eyes and look at our graph. Sean. Shonda, are you looking at our graph?
Dante, thanks for doing a nice job.
Maria, can you sit down?
Jaden, you're doing well. Jada,
Alright.
thank you.
Think in your brains. Point to your brains. They're in there. Give them a massage. Massage those brains up. All right. Think about which one is going to have the most. Think about which one has the least in your brains. Don't be someone else's brains. Jaden Williams, be your own brain. Think about comparing more and less. We just did it with a bunch of animals. How many more dogs are there than cats? Think about a question you could write. How many more students in Miss Taylor's class have colored shoelaces than something? Think about what your question is going to be. She was quiet. Yasmin, my dear, will you write our total for the Velcro and write it all the way on the edge like we do with our other pictographs?
Amaria, can you please put your other shoe back on?
Hey, Sean Jones, will you step back so Yasmin can write our total?
I'll give you Sam's size.
You're going to go back to your chairs. And then I'm going to send you by groups to come write a question. You can look at the graph and then write your question. So if you are sitting with Joelle or Jada's group,
Please get your
quietly go back to your seat. You are Jada, yes ma'am.
Walk around this one.
Okay, if you sit at Tristan's table, quietly go back to your seat.